Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm here with one exciting video on Java programming language. I'll be talking a little bit about Java string. I'll be also talking about the map interface in Java, so how they interact with the string in Java. And also I'll be talking about the map entry interface. So let's check it out. First of all, I'm gonna begin with one like problem scenario. So last week I got one problem in my office. So I was given bunches of files. So I think I have like 10,000 files. So what I had to do was, let's say the file name was XYZ and ABC and blah blah blah. So the files were like repeating with their name. So what my job was to filter out all the files which have the same name and count that file and send our web service request back to my client. So that was a little complex scenario. So I'm gonna show you one program which was very effective, to solve this problem. So let's say we have a string called like Chicago. So what I'm gonna show you on this tutorial is, let's say this word or this string has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 characters, right? So the character C has like repeated how many times? One, two times. Okay, so is there any repetition? So let's say the word is Chicago land. Okay, so let's say how many times A has repeated? So A has repeated like 1 2 times, right? So A will be 2. So the main problem that we're gonna address in this tutorial is, so we are given a string, so we have to count the number of characters which are repeating. Let's say C is repeating by how many times? By 2 times, so 2. So A, this string consists of like 2 A's, right? So 2 or 3, 2. Okay, 2. So this will return 2. Okay, that's good. So let's just dive into our problem. I have already written my program, so I'm gonna explain each line in details now. So let's maximize this window. So first, as promised, I created a map. So this map consists of key as a character and value as an integer. All the data in the map, they are stored in a key value pair. So first, I also have one static method which will take a string as an argument. So this is taking a string as an argument. We are converting that string into a character array. So this line converts the string into character array so that we can loop into that character, like each character one by one. So this step does the exact looping of the string, or in other words, it will iterate through the string character one by one. So the business logic is here. So if so, we assume that the map is empty at the beginning. So if the map does not contain the character that we have provided, then we will count the value as 1. So since, let's say, in string Chicago, right? So C was the first term, so C will be counted as 1. So there was um, no any data in the map, so the initial count will be 1. So after that, if the map contains so we will check each element of the map. So if the map contains the repetition of that character, right? So let's say C. So let's say C, so we will increase the count by 1. So map data that get C plus 1, right? Okay. So till now what we have done is we have created a map interface. Then we have also increment the count by 1. So let's say if the word will repeat, if the character will repeat again, then we gonna increase the count by 1. All right, so the next thing is to iterate through the map now. So I have used the map entry interface here, which will be very simple to iterate through this map. So we have created a for loop for this, and entry set is already provided default method in this map.entry interface. So we also have two methods called get key and get value, which will give us the key and which will give us the value. So let's take the main program here. Let's say we have a string called BBAAII. So what we expect is B should be repeated by 2 times, A should be by 2 times, I should be by 2 times. And let's say I also have one string called Y, right? So Y should be, the count of Y should be 1. So let's check it out. Look, A, we have A, so the key is A and the value is 2, right? So the key is B and the value is 2, okay? I, it is also 2, so Y is 1. So in this way we have demonstrated, if somebody will provide us the string and we have to calculate the repetition of the character of the string, then this program will be very handy. We have just implemented a string combined with a map interface, and this is a very simple program which is gonna be very handy in the real world. Thank you so much.